Hey lads, TechScanning here. So OnePlus launched its flagship device, the OnePlus 11 back in January, which was quite an impressive device that some even call it the return of the OnePlus. And now we already got some key details on its next flagship device, most likely to be called OnePlus 12, and even the possible launch date. So as per the leakster, normally a reliable source, even though OnePlus 11 was quite good in the camera department, but the OnePlus 12 is likely to bring a more improved camera setup than its predecessor. It is said to have a 3 camera setup, a 50 megapixel main which is the same resolution as the OnePlus 11, while a 50 megapixel ultra wide instead of a 48 megapixel, and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto lens instead of 32 megapixel. But do remember that megapixel is just a single part of the sensor, and there are many other aspects to improve the final results. So at the moment, it is hard to tell what improvements this new camera setup will bring to the photography. Further, beside the main lens, it is the same camera setup as its parent company is using on its recently launched Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus. So OnePlus could use the same periscope lens on the OnePlus 12. This means just like the Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus, we could see OnePlus 12 with 5 times optical zoom instead of current 2 times optical zoom on the OnePlus 11. The OnePlus 12 will be powered by the yet-to-be-launched Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and as per some reports, it will offer improvements, especially even better power efficiency, despite running on the same 4nm fabrication process as Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. On the display side, OnePlus 12 is expected to support the same 6.7 inches display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Further, the handset is tipped to feature the same 5000 mAh of battery with 100-watt fast charging support. OnePlus 12 is set to be launched in China in December, with a global launch that might happen after a few weeks. So there is plenty of time for more details to surface. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.